guys, we made it to the show, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I feel completely awkward talking to a camera. So I'm probably just gonna show a lot of footage of the cars that I like around here, because I'm not that YouTuber quite yet that just talk comfortably while people are staring at me. See? That guy was staring at me. Oh, he was staring at me. Watch. Oh, those guys are staring. I think that guy's laughing at me. This is seriously what runs through your head whenever you're recording yourself out public. Well, I mean, I guess at first, it eventually goes away. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around the show, show you the cars that I like. There's a lot of really cool shit here, dude. Arizona's, man.
350Zs.
Yeah, there's a lot of 350Zs. Jesus. And my buddy's four-door Integra with a JDM front that he just recently got, that he's wanted me to help him turbo, is sitting right here. Sexy as fuck. But yeah, and I'll show you guys the hatch here in a little bit. Not yet. So crazy. I never imagined seeing Max at a car show. I didn't plan on putting Max in, but when I got in here, there's a bunch of like Chryslers and Mustangs and everything. I'm like, well shit, they can be in here, I guess Max can.
2, 1.
Wow. Well, if you haven't guessed it, or if you haven't figured it out, no, not figured it out. Well, if you haven't guessed it yet, if it's not obvious enough, my light is not on. I am wanting to take the khaki machine with me to IFO. Like, I seen a couple of you guys suggested it in the comments on the last video, and I really like the idea. I really do like the idea. In my head still, it is just absolutely impossible. But I'm gonna try, dude. Dude, we did it, man. What else can I say? I owe a huge thanks to you guys, man. Huge thanks to you guys for giving me the motivation to even make this possible, dude. If it wasn't for you guys saying something and embedding that into my head, like, dude, you should bring the car out, bring it on a trailer, I would have never thought. I never would have even thought of that. Even after you recommended it, I thought to myself, I would need to do this and this and this and this. There's no way I would get it all done, man. There's just way too much work that have to be put in just to make it show ready. Hannah, Braven, I want to thank you right here, right now. Thank you so much for all the help that you guys gave me. I know you guys probably didn't see all of it because I didn't record absolutely everything. But dude, my kids kicked butt on this, alright? And if it wasn't for them helping me, dude, I probably would never have gotten it finished. Probably never would have. I never would have even thought of it if it wasn't for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for all the love and all the support that you guys give me. Thank you for all the motivation that you guys give me to keep going forward on this thing. I got to meet a lot of you out at the event, which was super cool. I feel like I gained a lot of new friends. I mean, every single one of you guys are freaking awesome, dude. What can I say? I mean, I could sit back and chill and talk with you guys for hours, bro. In which, I mean, we basically did, most of you, you know what I'm saying? So, the next event we go to, though, this thing's gonna have to move under its own power. Because having to rent a trailer, which, by the way, big shout out to Shiloh also. Because, I mean, I knew I had to rent a trailer to get this thing out here. But, dude, Shiloh covered it. Not only did he pull it with his own truck, but he paid for it too. So that's what's up, man. Thank you very much, Shiloh. If you're watching this, just know that I appreciate it, homie, for real. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys are wanting to help out with the build, the merch store is now open. The very first link in the description below, just click on that. It'll take you straight to the merch store. I have the DBG logo stickers available right now. So if you want to cop yourself some stickers, every single dollar is going straight to this build. And right now, actually, it's going straight to the engine because that's what we got to get cracking on next. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know that. You already know that. You're probably sitting over there saying, no shit, Bravis, we're waiting on you, man. I did, yeah, you know, it is what it is. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. Please click that like button. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Damn it, I'm not wanting to cover the camera. I'm supposed to leave the Civic in the background as I walk away. Later.